Hi, so here I will make a video on how to clipping network cable. We'll first with our first UTP cable 70 cm long. Second, network cable pliers. Third, wire cutter. 4 RG45 and lamp tester. Then we go to step. First, unroll the required length of network cable and add little extra cable just in case. Then cut the outer jacket of the cable. After that, check the newly opened cable wires for any cut or scratches that expose the copper wires inside. Separate the pairs so they lie flat between your fingers. Next, around the cable. The cable is based on the cable specification that you follow. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, with blue, green, chocolate white, chocolate. To sequence all cable evenly and parallel between thumb and forefinger. To 7, keep the cable flat and orderly as you push in into the RG45 connector with the flat surface of the plug on top. To exploit the cable placement into the clipping tools. Do not repeat all the steps above with the other end of the cable. Finally, we test the cable using a lamp tester. If the cable is inserted into the lamp tester, then all the lines on the lamp tester come on. It means we have successfully made the cable.